Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack a Tesla Model 3. Before you begin, prioritize safety. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface. Place wheel chocks on the wheels that will remain on the ground to prevent any movement. Remember, a jack is for lifting, but jack stands are for supporting the vehicle's weight. You will also need 4 specific jack pad adapters for your Model 3. To safely lift your Model 3, you'll need a low-profile floor jack, ideally with a capacity of at least 1.5 tons, as the car weighs around 3,500 to 4,000 pounds. Crucially, you must use 4 specialized jack pad adapters. These fit into the 4 circular lift points located near each wheel, protecting the vital battery pack and chassis from damage. Avoid placing the jack anywhere else. With your safety gear ready, let's lift. First, insert a jack pad adapter into one of the 4 circular lift points. Then, carefully position your low-profile floor jack directly underneath this adapter. Begin to slowly raise the vehicle, ensuring the jack pad remains perfectly seated. Once the car is at your desired height, immediately place a sturdy jack stand under the reinforced body pad for secure support. Once your work is complete, it's time to safely lower the car. First, carefully remove the jack stand from its position. Then, slowly and steadily lower the Model 3 using your floor jack until it rests fully on the ground. Don't forget to remove the jack pad adapter and the wheel chocks. If you removed any wheels, ensure the lug nuts are torqued to 129 pound-feet for safety.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.